At the start of the academic year, teachers need to prepare an annual curriculum plan which contains the concepts to be taught in each month and term and the assessment plan for the term. You should find out the DA test pattern that your school has opted for and figure out how the tests fit in your assessment plan. DA offers you 8 assessment items in a year. Regular tests, which are topic tests, revision tests, and projects. Let me share an example of how we can integrate these items in our assessment plan. Say if you have 2 terms in a year, then you can take 4 assessment items in each term. Say in the first term, you can take 2 topic tests, 1 revision test, and 1 project. Look at all the chapters or concepts that you will teach in the first term. Club them in such a way that you can test those concepts through 2 tests. So club your chapters in such a way that you have 2 sets of tests through which you can assess the students in as many chapters as you would want to. So these 2 topic tests can be given soon after you have completed those topics in the class. You will be taking some remedial action in the class, and finally at the end of the term you can give them a revision test that will help you to check whether those remedials have been effective or not in the classroom. The project can be downloaded from our interface. You will need to look at which topics you are going to teach, select a project that effectively fits into the learning outcomes that you have designed, and you can assign that project either in the course of the term or during a vacation period. I would like to share that for topic tests and revision tests, you get the analysis instantly, that is within 24 hours of test conduction. But for the projects, you are going to be given well-designed rubrics which you should ideally share with the students when you give them the project, and teachers will be assessing the students themselves on the basis of those rubrics shared.